Although it wears the Equinox nameplate, the 2024 Chevrolet Equinox EV bears little else in common with that compact SUV. We don't have many details about this SUV for now, but what we know for sure is that the electric Equinox will have a massive touchscreen, customizable ambient interior lighting, and what looks like a column shifter. The Equinox EV's exterior styling blends futuristic touches with more traditional crossover design cues, and it looks pretty cool. The front end is sleek and incorporates horizontal styling lines that add some nice visual width. The fascia design is somewhat reminiscent of the 2022 Chevy Bolt EV and 2022 Chevy Bolt EUV, while the lighting elements include thin strips that stretch across the corners of the upper fascia, connected by a single upper styling line. A gold bow tie badge is front and center. The rear end finishes it off with additional horizontal lighting bits and gray taillight housings that illuminate in red with an eye-catching animation. The Chevy Equinox EV logo is placed just underneath the taillights with a stylized E. We also expect all-wheel drive to be an option on the Equinox EV, which likely means dual electric motors. So far, only the LT and RS trim levels have been announced, but Chevy could expand the lineup with a base LS or a top-level Premier trim closer to the Equinox EV's on-sale date. Few details have been shared about the Equinox EV's interior, such as a digital dashboard similar to that of the recently revealed Silverado EV and styling themes that mirror the Bolt EV hatchback and Bolt EUV crossover. Front passenger space looks similar to the current Equinox, but we'll have to wait for more details. The interior features new HVAC vent, a turbine-style air vents located at each corner of the dash before moving to the floating center console that has a generous space underneath it. You can also spot a sizable cup holder and a row of controls at the base of the dashboard consisting of two round dials and buttons between them. A large center touchscreen with two flat air vents below it dominates on the dashboard. Interior also reveals some interesting lighting elements between the screen and air vent, as well as on the door. The lighting bits change color from white to blue, while the interior of the sporty 2024 Equinox EV is enriched with red accents. As in the case of other Chevrolet EVs, the Equinox EV is based on the GM's Ultium platform, and it should not have any issue with offering 300 miles of range. The RS will be available in fall 2023, while the availability of the LT will be announced at a later date. It will likely launch in 2024. The 2024 Chevy Equinox EV is expected to have a starting price of just under $30,000, according to GM's estimates. If you would like to find out more about our incredible deals and selection, all you have to do is hit the link attached on YouTube.